Hello and welcome to Daily Memory Lab. This video is particularly made for those who are visiting this channel for the first time, those who have not done a couple of study sessions in this channel before. So allow me to explain what we generally do and don't do in this channel. First, let me start off with the things that we don't do. In this channel, as per the experiment that I have taken up, I am behaving like a student here, so I am not a teacher. So don't expect me to explain some concepts. I'm not going to be your GST faculty's replacement, nor I'm going to be your primary GST faculty. I myself have put me as a student in this experiment. So I'm going to, be like one among you and study the syllabus. So that's the first point. So there won't be any lectures per se in this channel. The second thing, however, there will be commentary. Yes, I will be taking up the institute study material and I will be reading it like a normal student because I myself am absorbing all this content for the very first time. So you won't again get to see cheat sheets or mnemonics or memory codes, memory tricks. You won't get to see all those things. If you are having such expectations in this channel, then that won't be there in this channel. So have your expectations reset. So what can you actually do in this channel? Why am I even posting videos? Why am I even recording the process? So if you look at this channel, this is my basis. This Excel sheet is the basis through which we operate. So you can see we have already done 17 videos. We have already studied for 17 days. And if you can go through the library of this channel, each video is roughly 45 minutes to 60 minutes long. And in those 45 to 60 minutes, in the last 17 days, we were able to complete 2 chapters. And particularly the e-waybill chapter, we've read 4 rounds. And supply under GST, we have read 3 rounds, like half of the chapter. And we are going to complete 2 rounds, whole chapter. Now, this is how we work in this channel. Every new day, we will be covering 6 to 7 pages or 5 to 7 pages on average. That will be our fresh page studied per day. So rest of the time, it will be like rereading the old portions. Like I said, there won't be any shortcuts, there won't be any memory tricks. It is just plain old boring repetition. It is a boring channel. The process is absolutely nothing glamorous about this. Just plain rereading again and again. The only thing we don't do again here is we don't try to by heart anything. We respect the material and we reread the material as many times as we want, to start with minimum 5 times. After we have a complete hold over the material, then we will start to brainstorm. Then maybe towards the end of this study experiment, maybe 20 days before the exam or 15 days before the exam, when we are pretty much done with 70 to 80% of the syllabus, like 4 to 5 rounds, at that time we will start to brainstorm and try to cover the entire chapter in 1.5 to 2 hours. I already had a comment on this section asking for me to skip certain unwanted paragraphs, repeat paragraphs, to just save time, to not reread the same paragraphs in round 2, round 3. The comment has asked me to pick only the important topics. The truth is, I really won't be able to tell what is important right after just reading one round. So I work like that. My memory is not that great. So I will read the material for 4 to 5 rounds. I give the respect to the material, 4 to 5 rounds. All the nuances you will get to know after enough repetitions. So I don't want to rush the process here. So we will be reading the same material, same study paragraphs, study texts again and again and again. We respect the material, and then let the material reward you, and then let your brain make the own connections, and then you will start to have a lay of the land. You will start to have an idea about, okay, like a mind map you can develop yourself about the chapter. You get a fantastic bird's eye view after you have done 4 to 5 rounds. So don't try to short circuit, don't try to fasten up the process. On any single day, you will not feel any difference because we are going to cover only 5 to 6 new pages per day. But after 1 month, you'll start to slightly notice, okay, this is working. People who already are traveling with this channel, this is day 17, they already would have known the clarity they have on e-way bill chapter and supply under GST chapter. They pretty much know this system works. So this is almost like half month only they are traveling with us, but they can already tell there is a difference. And then when you cross 2 months, you will definitely notice a very stark difference. You will be very confident about GST. And by the end of 3 months, I can definitely assure you that you will thank yourself for traveling with us for the last 3 months. By the end of the third month, before GST exam, I know for sure that you will be thanking yourself that you traveled with us. So the best way to make use of this channel is tune in every day. I will be definitely releasing a video every day, mostly before 12 noon. And you can just get together when you start the video with your study material. Take your pencil or highlighter, whatever you use. I will be reading aloud the sentences and provisions and everything. In between, if I get some own thoughts, I will be sharing it as my commentary, or else it will be just plain extensive reading. So you can follow along with me. Particularly if you have some distractions, if you are very distraction prone, and if you need some company for studying some dry subjects like GST, then this channel will be of perfect help for you. This channel will be the perfect tool for you. So thank you for watching this video. I will be looking forward to join with you in daily study session. Thank you and bye bye.